to show you this real quick. This is a cheap alarm that you can use for security. You can get these at the Dollar Tree in the same section where you buy the little book lights and the chargers and all. It has a setting for a chime and for the alarm. And this is what it sounds like. You put the sensor on one side and you put the other, and as soon as it separates, that's what you hear. Okay. There's another setting for chime. And that sounds like a doorbell or a business. It's pretty loud, and it lasts a pretty long time, to be honest. So that's a cheap little security. It's extra. Now the other pack that I showed is from the Family Dollar, and it is a little more expensive. It was $3 for 2 of them, which isn't much more expensive, but there you go.